Alright, so welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually reset your Startimes Decoder to factory default and then get every missing thing that you want to get on your Startimes Decoder. So all you got to do is to press on the menu button on your remote. That's the M symbol on your remote. So when you come here, use the volume down button or the arrow left key to shift it on the left side of it and come to the settings right here. So you press OK on it, and when you come here from this list, come down to the decoder information. Alright, exactly on this option, and you press OK on it. And when you come here, as you can see down on your screen, you have the restore default settings. So you press OK on it, and here it's requesting for the default password of your decoder. If no one have changed it, it have to be zeros. So you have to fill in the box with zeros. Press 00 to actually fill in the box, and here it's requesting or asking you whether you truly wanna reset it to factory default. If you are not too sure of it, you can just press OK on a cancel to stop. So you press OK to actually proceed with it. So here it has quickly restored it, so you have to do the necessary settings to actually get back your channels or whatever you are missing on your decoder. So you have the language option here. Select your preferred language. We're gonna go here with English. You press OK on it, and we have the country list right here. So you need to select from the list and then put it on your country. Alright. So you select your country and you press OK on it. Alright, so here you have the search option right here, how you can actually search to get back your channel. So just go straight on the auto search. If you already have an stable signal, just go straight on the auto search, ignore the release settings. So press OK on the auto search and leave it to complete the scanning. Alright. Alright, so that's it. After scanning, you'll get back your channels or any missing thing that you were not finding it on your decoder. So if you find this video helpful and you are new here, you can simply subscribe and hit the bell icon. You use absolutely nothing while subscribing. Thanks for watching.